Hi Colin, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this amazing motorcycle. It's a 2015 Harley Davidson FXDF. It's a fat bob. The bike has about 5,000 kilometers. I don't know why it's $2,800, but 2,800 kilometers. But here we go. Let's see it again. Actually, it's 2,893. So this one has a Bluetooth for sure. Right here, there is the little sign for Bluetooth, and yes, it does have an ABS. The light is blinking right here, so when you start moving, the light's gonna disappear. So less than 3,000 kilometers, 2015. The color matching front bat wing. It does have LED lights on it too, as you see here. This is low beam and high beam. It's very bright actually. So it does have the crash bars with the extra LED lights over here, and it does come with this upgraded grips and the shifter on it too. So the bags are custom made bags with these special places here for signal lights and for shocks as well. So these are the hard bags. They look very similar to original Harley bags as well, with locks. Very nice looking LEDs on it. I had the chance to ride the motorcycle. It rides just perfect. Oh, another best part I forgot. This is a 2-in-1 Vans and Hines. Look at this exhaust here. It's a badass looking exhaust, and it has a nice air cleaner as well. You can take it off, and it's kind of, I think it's a Can-Am inside. So it's been tuned as well, and the bike is just perfect. I'm gonna fire that for you. So the neutral. Sounds just amazing. So if you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.